The rainforest. Plants. Passion flower, heliconia flower, liana, and cheese plant.
Curiosities of plants. Some plants grows in the top of the tree.
Curiosities. Birds, monkeys, snakes, and many other animals live high in the tree tops. Spider monkeys have tails to swing from trees. The rainforest has covered the big part of Brazil. Is jungle aquatic together? Climate. The climate of rainforest is hot and humid nearly all the time.
Animals. How because in the rainforest we have a lot of animals to eat. Poison dart frog, because in the rainforest we have water. Toucan, because in the rainforest we have big trees and food to eat. And camouflaged chameleon, because in the rainforest we have a lot of plants to camouflage and insects to eat.
Natural things. Rivers, step valleys, covers, and waterfalls. Food chain.
The tigers eat the ants eat.
And the ant eat the ants.
Oh.